report tip of the day. When your world collapses, the job's gone, bills are stacking, and faith feels thin, you don't wait. You move. You grab your credit report like a battle plan and go line by line. You circle the errors, call the creditors, set the payment dates, and document every win. You rebuild your name, your score, and your confidence with each bold move. This isn't about survival. It's about reclaiming your power, using your credit report as a roadmap to rise again, stronger, smarter, and unstoppable.